Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something you should have done back when the time changed. What that is cleaning out your dryer ducting from your clothes dryer, because it gets lint built up in there. And I don't care how what sort of screen it comes with and everything else. There's going to be lint building up in the ducting. So if you didn't do it already, take this opportunity today to clean it out to make sure you avoid a duct fire. All right. And there are some other things you can think about doing that you should be doing at least twice a year. I'm not going to tell you what they are. I have in the past, so think about it and get that stuff done for your safety. All right. Stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish like not cleaning out any of your ducting work. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill, plant an indoor garden, and grow food on your own.